Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can edit your TikTok profile. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the TikTok app. I'm going to click on the TikTok. Now we have to go to the profile section. And after going to the profile section, simply we have to click on the edit profile. And after clicking on the edit profile, you will be able to get all options here. For example, if you want to change your photo, you have to click on the change photo. For example, if you want to change your photo, you have to click on the change photo option, and now you have to upload a photo. You have to click on this option, and now you can edit the photo or you can add the photo. For example, now we have to choose the photo, that which photo we want to add. I'm going to bake, and as you can see, let's click on the edit profile again. If you want to change your name, you can also do that. I'm going to click on the cancel. Username is also provided here. As you can see, the link is also provided here. Add bio. If you want to add the bio, you can also add your bio here. If you want to add the links, you can also do that. So in this way, you can edit your profile details on the TikTok. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can edit your profile on the TikTok. So see you in the next video.